11:42 in the morning, and it is Friday, September 6th. I was planning on doing a lot this morning, like washing my hair, washing my clothes, cleaning my room. I'm gonna be thugging everything out literally, y'all, till like next week. So I'm on the last break. I'm on the last break right now. I'm not gonna be wearing no weave in my hair, like no wigs, no nothing. Like I'm just gonna be wearing my real hair. So really, like it just gonna be that. I've been up for a little minute, for real, for real. I've been up since 7. It's 7:43. Really 6, but I just been laying in my bed. But right now, oh, y'all can't really see me. Like I'm just all over the place. My eye itch. I don't know what's wrong with my eye, y'all. Honestly, yeah. Yeah, don't mind this big old bonnet on me. Like I literally just took my hair out last night, and I didn't even finish taking out my freaking braids that was under my quick weave. Like what the heck? But yeah. So I'm finna just get up right now. I'm probably gonna start on by washing my clothes. I mean, not washing my clothes, washing my sheets and stuff, and cleaning my room. Now I'm gonna just put my sheets and stuff in the washing machine, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go brush my teeth, get in the shower, wash my hair. When I'm done with all that, I'm actually gonna like, I don't know how I'm gonna wear my real hair. I always wear like a little bun or ponytail, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. And really, after that, I'm just gonna clean my room up. Just deep clean it. Not really deep cleaning, but like it don't really need deep cleaning, but I'm just choosing to do it. So yeah, let me just get up before I just get lazy. So we're gonna do that. It's literally, my phone is on sleep, y'all, but it's literally 7:45. So yeah, y'all know me. Every time y'all see me, I just be looking a mess. I do not be caring. Like I got so comfortable with y'all. It's so crazy. I said this is really the first time me actually getting up and recording one of my morning routines. Even though, like I said, this is not a morning routine, y'all. Like I literally just got up and just chose to be productive today. Honestly, that's it. So I don't know what I'm gonna call this for. It's basically like a little morning routine. Okay, so y'all, I got up and I tried to watch YouTube. That's your perspective, and no perspective subjective. Who hit the club and his cups full of jealousy? We in the bag and we might get a deal. And I'm in the back. She gets down just like Angela. Burn the blood, she's not on shots. Got this bad, watch her blow. Now she gets away. When she gets away. Alright, y'all, so it is 8:49. Please do not mind my room. Don't mind my face. It's so greasy right now. But I'm finally done like brushing my teeth, washing my face. Now, these are not real glasses at all. They're not real glasses.
she want, something to know. She wasn't on the road, she want on the road. See the dark skin girls with the light skin crew. Probably see you. She the light skin girl with the light skin crew. You don't know what to do. I'm still saying this bitch knows that crazy love. She gets down.
When it's just me and you alone, never lonely, alone. Getting slowly, when you know me, yeah. Meditate, you can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me, yeah. Lay your head on my pillow,
So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all what I got going on in this closet. Okay, so these are my shoes. My Balenciaga's just messed up at this point. Phone cases, extra chargers and all that is in there, and extra accessories for my camera and all that, or whatever. Then I got shoe boxes. I can't wait to pull out the boots and all that. But yeah, right here's my laundry basket. I got this from Amazon because everybody keep asking. I also got this purse rack. I just put my bonnet on there, don't mind that. But I got this purse rack from Amazon also. And this thing fell, but at this point, y'all, I was like, F it. And I put like my little bows and glasses up there. And these two, I just got like extra sheets and all that in there. And I got like socks, just my socks. What else is in here? Yeah, socks. I got socks, beanies, and I think hats, something like that. And I just put these right here because it didn't look right in my room, like on the little shelf. Yeah, I don't know why I put this, but right here, this is just like a little bucket. Like, if I don't feel like folding clothes, I will put them in here. Or like if I don't feel like hanging them up, and y'all, my pillows just stack up. Y'all do not mind me, do not mind the little TV I got. I don't even watch TV, I just use it for music and all that. But oh well. I'm done with my side, so I'm gonna go clean up my hair side.
Just making me feel like, ooh. When I get around you, you freeze it. You freeze it. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you.
It's like 10:08, so I'm finna get ready to get in the shower. I'm finna wash my hair while I'm in there, do all that. So when I get out, I can blow dry my hair, flat iron it, and really, like, I'll probably be done by the time I'm done with my hair. When I'm done with my hair, I'm gonna be done with everything, literally. So I am done with everything. I didn't do my hair, but like, you know, I straightened my hair out. I was gonna wear it down, but I'm like, you know what? I just can't wear it down. Like, I just can't wear my real hair down. I don't know why. I think I just need to get my ends clipped, and that's it. For real. That's probably why. But my sheets are done, so I'm finna put those on right now. I don't know why I'm on the bed without them, but I am finna put my sheets on, and yeah. And I did order my Starbucks. My Starbucks is literally on the way, so I'm finna do this, and yeah. Once I'm done doing my bed, it should be here. And really, right there, we're gonna end the video. It's like, I think like 12 something. Mind y'all, I was planning on being done by 11:30ish. But shoot, it's close though, so. Y'all do not mind a fan. I got so hot making up my bed, but I got my Starbucks. I'm trying to see like why is this video not uploading. It's still saying uploading 15 minutes left. It been saying that for a while now. Like, what is going on? That's one thing I hate about uploading. Like, it's take forever. Like, just upload. Like, what the fuck? Don't mind my itches, y'all. I did not do them. I don't know. But yes, like y'all, this been uploading for I don't know how long. Like, bro, I think I talk for this. So what I need to do for it to like literally go faster. Like, yeah, that video was supposed to get uploaded at freaking what the fuck, 11. It's 12:36. What's going on? But anyways, y'all, I'm going to show y'all what I got. I got this bacon sandwich, the double smoked bacon sandwich. I don't know why I'm eating on my bed and I just literally just washed my sheets. But anyway, this is it. Yeah, these so good. I stay with these. Like every time I go there, I get these. So, and then we got this is my caramel crunch frappe. Yeah, these are so good too. I think it melted, like, or they just didn't make it right. It's not supposed to be like this. But yeah, so let me take this. Yeah, they gave me this big they gave me this big straw. What the you know what? I might need to complain. It's good though. Period. Hey. Let me taste this. Dang. Alright. It's cool. I just probably need to warm it up though, because if it ain't hot, it's gonna get a little hard. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, y'all. I've been productive today, like natural and all. Baby, I'm thugging it out. But yeah, so you know, thugging it out, being productive. Like, yeah, I feel like I don't know what I feel like. That would be it for this video. I've done everything. There's really nothing else to do. So yeah, thanks y'all for watching. And if you're new to my channel, hi, because you're gonna love me. I'm telling you this now. You're gonna love me. You're gonna love me. But anyway, yeah, y'all, I love y'all so much. Why if I'm in a good mood? I don't know. But yeah, so stay tuned, y'all, because I got like a lot of videos in mind that I'm gonna be doing soon. And yeah, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I love y'all.